We are here to celebrate the ribbon cutting of this former high school, original Mount Vernon High School we call it, and to repurpose it towards a senior and youth community center. Lots of opportunities for kids, but we have never had anything right in this area where our youth and seniors could come to really a fully available gym and community center and workrooms and active, if you will, individual rooms. So this is the start of something that we've long sought and long planned.
There were quite a few improvements made to the building for us to be able to locate the teen and senior centers over here. First, the building wasn't accessible to people with physical disabilities or mobility problems, so we had to put an elevator in the building. We also had to build out the teen center multi-purpose room, the computer lab, also our dining area, put in new restrooms to make sure that we're accommodating the guests and the participants that will be participating in programs in the space.
When I set out on a pursuit towards equity and making sure that we are intentional about where we put our county resources and doing a little catch-up in areas that needed catch-up and making sure that kids in this area as well as seniors had the type of opportunities you would find anywhere else in Fairfax County, that should be fundamental. Intentional equity, not an afterthought, but something that should be on the forethought of the county when we make investments in our community. And this building really, to me, cries out community.
The center is important to the community because it's in the community, number one. It's located in the center of Richmond Highway between Woodbridge and Alexandria City. So this makes this a central location for placemaking, for our community members to come and be civically engaged, to participate in teen programs and older adult programs.
I come here to have fun, be myself, be creative in my own way.
When I retired from the ministry, I had very little outlet. And I was working with a Fairfax County agency that pointed me in a couple of different directions, and they brought me here, said this is home. Because there were so many seniors there. When I met them, one specific lady, darling lady, grabbed a hold of me and said, "You come with me." And I knew I was welcome.